Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Shark APEX DuoClean 0M is an advanced upright vacuum cleaner with fantastic performance. Is it a good choice for you? Let's go ahead and find out now. On our cleaning test, the performance for the APEX DuoClean was phenomenal. It achieved an overall cleaning score of 99.6%, which is one of the highest scores we've ever seen. On hardwood floors, the APEX DuoClean completely removed all debris with 100% scores across all debris types. Other vacuums use separate cleaning head attachments to take care of large debris and fine debris, but the APEX DuoClean's brush rolls were able to clean all debris and floor types without changing cleaning heads. On low-pile carpet, the APEX DuoClean was virtually flawless, leaving only minuscule amounts of kitty litter, sugar, and cereal. High-pile carpet was a similar result, with only very small amounts of sugar and kitty litter left behind. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Shark APEX. As for design, the Shark APEX DuoClean is a clear step up in terms of build quality compared to other Shark vacuums like the Rotator and Navigator. It features the lift-away canister design that helps users reach all areas of the home. The middle section of the vacuum can be lifted off of the cleaning head and used as a canister. Other features include LED headlights and indicator lights on the handle. The APEX DuoClean has multiple settings to allow the vacuum to switch between various floor types. The dustbin is able to hold up to 1.65 liters of debris. At 17.1 pounds, the APEX DuoClean is heavier than other vacuums, but the lift-away feature helps it stay portable. The APEX DuoClean is 46 inches tall, 12.2 inches wide, and 11.2 inches deep. The cleaning head of the APEX DuoClean includes the DuoClean brush rolls that work together to clean different sizes of debris. The two brush rolls are a stiff bristle roller and a soft roller. The brush roll is self-cleaning and can resist hair tangles. The APEX DuoClean comes with a HEPA filter and a foam filter. It also includes an upholstery tool, crevice tool, and pet power brush. If you like this video, please get subscribed. You'll get automatic updates from YouTube when we release new videos. It's a big help to our channel, and it's totally free. While the weight of the APEX DuoClean is heavier than many other lightweight upright vacuums, it's still fairly maneuverable. It has a low center of gravity, it rolls and turns well, and it can lay completely flat against the floor. Changing the floor type setting helps clean more effectively. The switch on the handle makes it effortless to clean different floor types. To use it as a canister, press the lift-away release button and carry the canister off of the base. The lift-away canister makes it more portable and allows users to clean hard-to-reach areas more easily. The attachment tools can be stored on the back of the vacuum. The long wand makes it easier to get under and behind furniture and reach into corners. The hose is 5.5 feet long, which is slightly shorter than some other upright vacuums we've tested. The power cord is 30 feet long. The 0M in the name of the vacuum refers to zero maintenance costs. The filters can be easily cleaned. Rinse the HEPA filter with water and let it air dry before returning to the vacuum. To clean the foam filter, simply tap off the dirt and debris into the trash can. The self-cleaning brush roll resists tangles and will not need to be replaced under normal cleaning circumstances. Emptying the dustbin is simple and straightforward. Click the release button to remove the dustbin. Next, flip the tab to dump the contents out of the bottom. So, should you buy the Shark APEX DuoClean 0M? It was incredible on our cleaning test, removing an average of 99.6% across all floor types and debris types. It has a solid build quality and it's easy to use, maneuver, and maintain. It is more expensive, but the lack of maintenance costs help reduce the overall price of ownership in the long run. I recommend the Shark APEX DuoClean if you want excellent cleaning performance. Its 99.6% cleaning score is one of the best scores we've seen. I also recommend the APEX DuoClean if you want zero maintenance cost. You can keep the filters and brush roll clean and fully functional without needing to replace them. And finally, I recommend the APEX DuoClean if you have multiple floor types in your home. It can easily switch between different floor types, and its cleaning test scores were excellent across the board. Despite the high price tag, the Shark APEX DuoClean boasts features and performance that make it an excellent value. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. Do you have a Shark vacuum at home? We'd love to hear what you think about it in the comments. If you're interested in buying the Shark APEX DuoClean, we've got a link in the description. For more from Modern Castle, be sure to get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching.